We're night number 4 of the World Series of Asphalt Stock Car Racing with Brandon Watson post-race after the Super Late Model feature. Brandon, a good start. You time trialed really well, and we're running well within the top 10 for much of the race. Faded a little bit late, certainly not the finish we were looking for, but it gives you something to build on for the rest of the week.
Yeah, we definitely had a good start. Our qualifying was pretty good, I guess, for the start. First night, we weren't really sure. Couldn't see much coming off turn 4 there. Weren't sure what we were going to expect, so the sun was in my eyes pretty good there. But like I said, yeah, we had a pretty good start. Off the start, the car felt good, but kind of started to fade away. Got really tight at the end, probably like 10-15 laps in. Car got really tight, started fading back a bit. We're still holding our ground, but cars eventually got by us there. Wasn't quite the finish we were hoping for, but start to our week, and hopefully we can build on it.
Is the plan to sort of experiment with the setup from here and sort of take what you learned tonight and try to switch things up a little bit for the rest of the week?
Yeah, definitely. We weren't sure what we could expect. Obviously, we didn't. We should have made a bit more adjustments coming from the day to night. It was a huge difference. We were pretty good in the day. It wasn't really tight at all. So the night to day difference is big for us. So we'll have to try and figure that out for the next couple nights.
So you'll be running the remaining 5 nights here. Starting to get a good handle on the car. There aren't too many other drivers that had the debut that you had, running well within the top 10. And we touched on this a little bit earlier about the difference from the Pro Late model to the Super Late. Did you find any difference drive-wise to how you have to attack the track?
It's hard to say. It's been a couple years since I've been here, but it is a bit different, obviously, with the horsepower. But I got like a lot more horsepower on the hood, so we're getting a bit loose a bit sometimes. But it's hard to say. I think the cars are similar, so just motor difference. So it's a bit different, but hopefully we'll be able to get used to it next couple nights.
Go ahead and thank the folks to make all this possible for you, Brandon.
And of course, all my crew, especially Road Distributing, Extreme Auto Products, Barry Frame Alignment, Nightworks Design, Michael Shane, RV Sales, and Sigma Energy for exchange.
There you have it, folks. An impressive 2014 World Series debut, and they'll look to build on it as we continue on through the remaining 5 nights of competition here. Driver of the number 9 Super Late Model, Brandon Watson. Brandon, thanks for the time.